Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to explain the uses of the Arabic relative pronoun الذي, masculine singular pronoun which is equivalent to the English pronouns who, which, that, whom, whose. الذي is similar to who in this example. It connects two clauses. A clause is an independent sentence which consists of a subject and a predicate. So we'll start with the first clause. هذا هو الطالب العربي. This is the Arabic student. The second clause. الطالب العربي يدرس في جامعة Harvard. The Arabic student studies at Harvard University. So you can opt to keep these two sentences together, or you can make them more complex by combining them using the relative pronoun الذي to replace the subject of the second clause. هذا هو الطالب العربي الذي يدرس في جامعة Harvard. This is the student who studies at Harvard University. الذي replaces the subject of the second clause. The subject in this case is a human noun. الذي can be the equivalent of which when it replaces a subject which is a non-human noun. Look at these two clauses. بيته جميل, his house is beautiful. Second clause, بيته يقع على الشاطئ. His house is located on the beach. We use الذي to replace بيته in the second clause. بيته الذي يقع على الشاطئ جميل. الذي in this sentence is equivalent to which because it follows a non-human noun. الذي can replace a noun which is the object of a preposition in the second clause. We'll look at the following example. البيت كبير جدا. The house is very big. نشأت في البيت. I grew up in the house. البيت الذي نشأت فيه كبير جدا. We used الذي to replace the object of preposition في, which is البيت. We also kept the preposition في, linking it to the possessive pronoun who. البيت الذي نشأت فيه كبير جدا. الذي can also be the equivalent of whom, and whom here replaces not a subject but the object of the verb in the second clause. كان الطالب مجتهدا. Second clause. درست الطالب في صف العربية. كان الطالب الذي درسته في صف العربية مجتهدا. الذي in this case replaces الطالبة in the second clause, which is the object of the verb, and it means whom. The student whom I taught in the Arabic class was diligent. الذي can also mean whose, and whose expresses possession. In the following example, the first clause, الكتاب قديم. The book is old. Second clause, لا أتذكر عنوان الكتاب. الذي will be used in the following sentence to replace the second term of the إضافة, عنوان الكتاب. الكتاب الذي لا أتذكر عنوانه قديم جدا. The book whose title I do not remember is very old. Whose in this case replaces al-kitab, which is a non-human noun. In the following example, you will see that whose is also used to replace human nouns. First clause, الطالب أمريكي. Second clause, أبو الطالب من مصر. Notice that the second clause begins with إضافة, أبو الطالب. We're going to use الذي to replace the second term of إضافة, which is الطالب. الطالب الذي أبوه من مصر أمريكي. The student whose father is from Egypt is American. Note that I used commas here to introduce the restrictive clause or the relative clause, which begins with whose or with the الذي. It's up to you whether you want to use commas or not. شكرا جزيلا على تتبعكم وإلى الحلقة القادمة إن شاء الله. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the relative pronoun التي, which is the feminine singular equivalent of الذي. مع السلامة.